Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Coyote Mar back at it with another video. Basically, if you clicked on this video, man, you already know what's going down in this video. If you guys are wondering, don't feel like reading the title, whatever it is. What we're going to do today is start parting out the car. Now, I know a lot of you guys are wondering what's going to happen next with the car. Now, I have something really big coming soon. I'm not going to tell you guys just yet. You got to stay tuned for that. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you haven't did that, go do that right now. Anyways, like I said, man, we're starting to part out today for the car. If you guys watched the last video, you guys did see we already got the Cobra Jet sold. We got the 69mm twin jet throttle body sold. The intake is sold. That's basically everything that we sold off the car so far. Now I got a lot more stuff that I did want to sell off the car, and basically I'm gonna be showing you guys what's going off in the car today. So make sure you guys are staying tuned for this video. Now I know a lot of you guys have been hitting me in the DMs and the comments and all that stuff, asking me what are we going to do next with the car. We're going to boost it, buy a new car, just fix it, keep it in ace, do it another setup. I'm not going to say too much right now. You guys, like I said earlier, you're going to have to stay tuned for the channel for that. I got something really big coming to the channel. I think you guys are going to really like it. Comment down below, what do you guys think I'm going to do with the 5.0. I'm not going to lie, I was thinking about trading the car in for a long time. I also been thinking about boosting it for a long time. The NA setup was pretty fun. If I was to do the NA setup over again, I probably would have went with the different cams. They said that the cams that I had was supposed to be pretty good, but I think I would have went with like a custom cam for an NA setup. I wish I could have got my hands on the stage 3, but if you guys know, with these Mustangs in the stage 3, they sold out like the fucking first week that they started the production of them. So if you don't got them now, you basically gonna have a hard ass time going to stage 3. But the stage 3 on these Mustangs, man, are crazy as fuck. Enough of all this boring talk though, let's get right into this video. Do it, man. Cam for the motherfucking wins. You guys can see, got my guy Cam 392, man. Make sure to go check him out on Instagram. I know y'all haven't seen these cars in a while, man, but you know we gotta step back out. Y'all see in the background, we got some more work getting done on the 5.0 right now. Like I said, the car is getting parted out right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a closer view in just a second, but we got my guy number 4 right here, man. That shit's going crazy. Guy number 4, man. What's going on, dog?
Yeah. Damn, my nigga big.
Go ahead and give us a description of what's going on, number 4. Mr. Mechanic, come on.
Look at the damn wheel, my nigga.
So, as you guys see, man, I told you guys the car is getting parted out. As we head on to this side, you guys can see we have 2 of the cams out on the driver's side already. So now we just have to work on getting that passenger side cams out. After that, probably gonna leave the cams out for right now. Once we progress on getting these cams out, we will start working on the Texas Speed long tube headers. I'm gonna show you guys that right here since the car's lifted up. So as you guys see, the headers look like they're in pretty good shape still. Don't look like the damage messed up the headers at all, so that's good. Like I said, man, we got something crazy planned up, man. It looks crazy. I haven't seen the car parted out like this in a minute. We're gonna be back stock. This car's gonna be back slow, but you already know we gonna come back better. So if you guys are wondering what cams I went with, these were the stage 2 comp cams. Now I think these were called the Mother Thumpers. I will leave the part number to those in the description, so if you guys are curious in which cams those are, just be sure to check the description.
A few moments later.
All right guys, so after a long day, we finally got the job done. Everything's basically parted out that we're gonna sell. Let me go ahead and show you guys the last parts that we got taken off the car and continue from there. Like I told you guys earlier, we have the Texas Speed long tube headers. Now these are the 1 7/8, if any of you guys are wondering. Then over here, as you guys can see, we have the stage 2 comp cams. If you're wondering if you should go with these mods on your 10R80, man, I would highly suggest that you go with these Texas Speed long tube headers or any long tube headers. I'm not too sure if people really do the 2-inch on these cars, but I went with the 1 7/8. The 1 7/8 was perfect for me. The cams I went with the stage 2. With the stage 2 drop-in cams, don't need no springs, don't need nothing. I think the only thing you will need with the stage 2 cams is the cam bolts. I think on like Summit Racing you can get those for like $250 with all the bolts that you need to get the car up and running with the cams. But besides that, man, crazy build, and we love this NA setup, but the setup will no longer be on a car. If you guys did watch that last video, as I said earlier, we did already sell the Cobra Jet setup. So that's pretty much putting this car back to stock besides the drag pack. Just feels crazy with me seeing these on the floor because a couple months ago they was in my car. The car was going crazy. Thought I would never change the setup, but unfortunate events happened. We got the car back, parted it out. Now it's time to see what's going to be the next move with the car. Appreciate everyone that got this far. Coyote Mar, I'm out.